It's a car venture. It's time. Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Oh boy.
Can I get your Beyond sausage sandwich?
So, 1 Beyond sausage, egg and cheese English muffin, 2 Beyond sausage, no egg, no cheese English muffin, and 1 regular sausage, egg and cheese on English muffin.
Yes.
Alright, gotcha.
We got the goodness.
Hi everybody, Princess and the Bear here. Today, it's time for one of our long-awaited fast food reviews, vegan versus non-vegan.
Yes.
Our lucky guest today, it's Dunkin Donuts.
Yeah.
I hate Dunkin Donuts. I don't hate Dunkin Donuts, but their donuts are inferior to some other better places.
I had not ever had Dunkin Donuts until I moved to the South. On the West Coast, they did not have Dunkin when I lived there. Now they do.
So the reason for going to Dunkin Donuts is they just recently released nationwide here in the U.S. the Beyond sausage patty in their breakfast sandwich.
Yes.
So what we did is we went and got 4 sausages. We have a regular, real sausage, egg, and cheese on a English muffin. Then we got the vegetarian version, which is their normal one. You said it was called
It's like Snoop Dogg's plant-based whatever.
shout out to the real OG repping for the plant-based foods. So we got a Beyond sausage with a real egg and real cheese, the vegetarian version, the normal version, or you can ask for it the vegan way, which is simply an egg McMuffin.
An English muffin.
An English muffin, not an egg muffin, sorry. McDonald's stuck in my head here. So an English muffin with just the Beyond patty. And then we got one more.
Because I had to be extra.
Extra that we modified with a just egg.
Crack, 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 the just into the bowl. Whee!
On top of the Beyond patty to give that extra little oomph.
Just for all. I would have put vegan cheese on it, but I don't have any right now, so
I think we should start with vegan stuff.
I agree.
Not to get the dirty, disgusting meat grease all in my mouth. We'll go last with that one, and then we'll do our usual rankings.
So here's the regular vegan version. It's just a patty. We've never had the sausage patty before, only the sausage link, so this will be different. It's a little toasty.
Mm-hmm.
I guess, well, I should probably cut it in half, but whatever.
You know what the inside of a muffin looks like. We've shown plenty of patties.
It's very flavorful. It doesn't taste like your typical Beyond sausage that you get in like that hot dog fashion.
It smells very breakfasty.
It definitely has a lot of flavor to it. It does taste breakfasty. The English muffin doesn't do that much for it, but I do like the flavor that's going on with that patty.
The Beyond, usually your Beyond taste, there's like a hint of it in there. And it's got some different seasoning. So to me, it tastes on par with the breakfast sausage. All in all, I mean, for a breakfast sandwich, it doesn't taste that bad. I'd be going to give this, as it is right now, solid 2.5 out of 5 plus. I probably wouldn't even notice if you had replaced this with some other sausage.
Really?
Minus the grease flavor, because that is completely unmistakable.
As normal with these alt meat versions. Now here's our modified version.
With the homemade just egg patty. And if you guys are wondering how we did this, I just took like a little singular like muffin cylinder and greased the pan, put the just egg in there. I put a lid on it to keep the heat in and just let it cook until it's not liquid anymore. Just take it off the heat and let it cool, and there you go. It wasn't that hard. It took like 5 minutes. I think I just made a mistake. I just made a big mistake.
Oh, yes! Yes! Yes!
As we figure out how to make some of these things at home, Princess becomes addicted.
Oh my god,
That's
yes.
that face.
No. If I actually did have a slice of cheese on it, that would be... Yes! That is good. It is really good.
That's definitely an improvement over the vegan version. I think with like a slice of pepper jack cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Or even like a smoked Gouda, which they make in plant-based versions. That would be amazing. I'm going to give that right there 3.5 out of 5. Well, for the slice of cheese, it's definitely going to be a solid 4 or higher.
I think, piggyback on your Gouda thing, instead of pepper jack cheese, put the Gouda and then some hot sauce. With that,
Possible.
oh yes!
So, very good.
Very good.
Now, for the vegetarian version, which is like a slice, it looks like a American cheese. I don't even think it's cheddar. And then this egg patty. I'm really kind of been all over the place about fast food egg patties because they're usually fairly terrible.
Look at the way they put that together,
It's just
though.
sort of like slopped together. And these are usually pretty awful, but hey, let's find out. Okay. The sausage patty, we got that unmistakable grease aftertaste all up in the mouth. The egg patty, thankfully, is not like a powdered egg. It actually does taste like a fresh egg, which I'm glad for. The cheese doesn't really give it a whole lot because it's American cheese. American cheese is about as boring as cheese as get, but it's one I can actually eat. I will say that given that like greasy taste of sausage, which I out and out despise, I would have to give this one a 3 out of 5 claws. I think it's better than the vegan version, but not better than the just egg version. Then actually, that one doesn't have the greasy taste, but I think the grease is from the egg. Actually, is what I'm tasting. Opposite. That's a Beyond Patty with the egg. But yeah, the egg is kind of greasy.
It's probably because they greased the pan that they cook these eggs in.
Yeah.
Or it's like one of those like mini waffle makers for the egg. Just
So here's the real patty with the regular egg. You can see it's just a little bit thicker than a Beyond Patty. A little bit more because I think they butter this too. But yeah, there's the actual real patty. Got that huge difference. You open up one of those? The vegan one? So they don't look that different from each other, actually, in size and the way they were cooked.
it's not as thick, I want to say.
What? Let me take a bite. It's definitely the thickest of the 4. I would have to say that, honestly, the Beyond Patty tastes like a more flavored sausage than the actual sausage.
I don't
This
doubt
sausage
that.
tastes just kind of plain and not as seasoned and just kind of mushy. Whereas I think the Beyond Patty has like a better sausage-like texture. And it could be because it's a mass-produced sausage. You've ever gone to McDonald's or other fast food joint, you know how those are. I would have to give that one 3 out of 5 claws. It's good, but I definitely think that I prefer the Beyond with the egg if I had to choose the vegetarian version over the regular version. The king for me, the top of the keep, is still
Just
with the Beyond that we made, and then the vegan version would be dead last for me.
number 1 is just egg.
Second vegetarian.
Number 2 is vegetarian. Number 3 is the real meat, and number 4 is vegan.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I like the just, and then my vegan is number 2. I really want to kind of play with this sandwich now because, I mean, Dunkin has basically just given me a base sandwich that I can now turn into something amazing as a vegan option. I mean, you could literally do anything with this. You could put veggies, cheese, hot sauce, any kind of sauce. Not just hot sauce,
English muffins are notoriously dry.
Yeah, I mean, you could even put like a jam with the sausage and the English muffin, and that might not be bad. So, thanks, Dunkin, for giving us at least a base. If you could take it to the next level, that would be awesome, but at least there's great alt products like Just that can give us more things to do with our food.
Basically, Dunkin, call Just, and then both of you call us.
Yes.
Shameless promotion. Just saying. We'll hit you up on Twitter. Either way, I know what you guys think. Have you tried the Beyond Sausage from Dunkin' Donut yet? What do you guys think? Are you planning to go try it after seeing this video? Let us know in the comments. If there's any other new vegan foods out there that are showing up in restaurants you want us to try, let us know. As always, we'll give it a review. Hit the notification bell. You want to see other videos like this, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
I
wish my princess was another castle right now. That's on the road, heathen.
You're a heathen. Comment below. Subscribe. New content 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.